Well, I got it in. I have the Seiko Pogue, the PogueKX. This is the Seiko SRPH19. I forget the model number for the Japanese market. Let's go ahead, open this up here, and let's see. Let's do a little unboxing right now. We'll see what happens here. So here it is, the Seiko SRPH19. Let's go ahead and unbox this. All right, so taking a look at the packaging, this thing has been through the ringer. Got damaged in, looks like in transit here, SRPH19, Seiko 5 Sport. MSRP is $295. These things are on eBay getting flipped for about $500. I am not going to flip this one, but some people just have no common decency. Only limited to 2021 pieces, so let's go ahead and open this up. I don't think I've had a Seiko 5 or a 5KX, I guess, ever in the hands. So let's see what we got here. Little Seiko card, probably warranty information here. Not signed whatsoever, no serial number. It's interesting. Thought they would have put that on there. Got it from SeikoUSA.com. And I also thought this box was metal, but no, it's just cardboard. Oh well. Oof. Here it is. Take it off the pillow here. Push pins there. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. So much plat. What is this? Why is this always the end of me when it comes to this? This is a paper? What the heck? Little hang tag action. There's the hang tag. Matches up if it wants to focus in. There it is. Go ahead and take this plastic off. And here it is in all of its glory. Man, that looks beautiful. I've always wanted a Pogue, but I never trusted online sellers to make sure it was authentic. I think this is going to scratch that itch. Now, this is the SRPH19. And earlier this week, the Mad Watch Collector came out with a video, and he got to name a Seiko that didn't have a nickname. So I'm going to name this one. It is the PogueKX. I like it. I like it. I was going to say, you know, the Pogue Light, Diet Pogue, but no, this is going to be the PogueKX. Gold dial, blue and red bezel. Let's go ahead and get some rotation action going. I haven't had much experience with a Seiko diver. Does that line up? You know, everyone always complains about the QC on the Seikos, but I mean, just by the naked eye, I can't really tell. I think it's good. I'm not going to criticize them too much, at least in the unboxing anyways. We have the exhibition case back there. This is limited to 2021 pieces, and I did see something there. It says limited edition right there. Must be on the other side. Yeah, so this is 1933 out of 21 or 2021. So one of the last production models. No signed crown, just basic crown. Man, this is nice. This is not too bad. You have a press clasp and hollow end links, it looks like. So, I mean, for $295, not too bad of a price for what you get. I never really liked the hands on the Seiko 5s, but, I mean, that's just my opinion. I don't know, it's something about the arrow hand I just never really liked. But it came in this Pogue colors. I decided to snatch it up. Let me go ahead and pop it on the wrist. Today I'm wearing my Casio DW290. All right, and there it is on my 7.5-inch wrist. Not bad. Not bad. I like the colors. I like the pop. I like the size. Don't have much experience, like I said, in the Seikos, but I like that overall. It feels good. It looks good. It's a fun little sports watch. I'm excited. Don't know about the lume. Is that two different colors of lume on the hand and on the indices? Let me see. Get a closer look. Feels secure. I like that. It looks like the hands have a little bit more patina than the indices, or maybe that's just me. I don't know. It seems like the hands have a different shade, maybe like a cream, and the indices are a bright white. I'll see better when I edit this video, but that's what it seems like to me on the little viewfinder. No AR coating, obviously. But man, that dial really pops. I like it a lot. I cannot wait to get this watch on the wrist and make the full review for it, so keep a lookout for that. If you like this style of content, please leave a like below, subscribe, comment on what you guys think of this watch or the Pogue, and what about the name of the PogueKX? How do you guys like that name? So, all right, that's where I'm gonna leave the video. I'll catch you guys later.